Ren, and welcome back to my channel. So we've got another tech unboxing for today, and we've got right here is a two wireless headphones or earphones. Okay, we've got a wireless earphones. Okay, and we've got also a wireless air conducting headphones. Okay, bone conduction. Okay, we've got from Soundplay. And also they got right here is from the Tech and Go. Okay, let's go gonna have to first open this one. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to open this one first. Gonna have to open this one and to check it out some. Okay, and then let's go gonna have to open this one. Let's go check this out. Okay, we've got a charger. Okay, type C. Is this a type C? Okay, yes. Okay, we've got a clip on. Okay, and then we've got the user manual. We got some ear tips. Okay, and we got the earphones. So how to use this one is you just have to put this into your neck. All right, so let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay, so yeah, so sorry for my hair. Okay, I lost all my hair. Okay, so this one right here is you just have to use it like that one, and then but one thing is yeah, it's okay, right here is okay, there you go, and then you just have to use it like that one, right? So there you go. Yeah, you just it's a magnet. Okay, it's a magnet. Okay, and then I think this will be the right. Okay, and you just have to put it on like that one, and which is really nice. Okay, perfect. And look at that. So you just have to also gonna have to use it like that. Okay, just like that one. All right, so yeah, perfect. And it's also gonna have to connect that after this, after all of the unboxing. Okay, so okay, and then yeah, there you go, there you have it. And then you just have to yeah, look at that, nice. All right, so yeah, and it comes with a how to charge it up. Okay, there you go. We've got the charging port right over here for the USB-C. Okay, there you have it. Okay, there you have it. And then we got a clip. On how to use the clip. All right, so yeah, okay, go with this. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, the bone conduction. Okay, the bone conduction. Okay, so okay, let's go gonna have to the angle of the camera. All right, here it goes. Let's go gonna have to check this one. There you go. So this is the bone conduction. Okay, okay, what you got right here is the customer support of Chumi. Okay, so Soundplay is from Chumi. Yeah, okay, I didn't know that. What is this? They got a experience uninterrupted wireless freedom, one-click registration, scan free. Activating your product's warranty is fast and easy. Okay, they got a card. They got a USB-C. Okay, and then they got the bone conduction. Okay. Oh, okay. Check that out. Okay. There it goes. We've got the bone. We've got the bone conduction, right? So, and then gonna have to put this on into the ear. Okay. Sound play. We got the, what is this over here? Is this the charging port? Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, you can also put a micro SD card in here. Okay, yeah, dual purpose. Okay, you can use it via wirelessly into your for your phone, and also you can use also a micro SD card, putting some songs in here. Okay, yeah, okay, that's unexpected. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then what is this? We got the plus and minus, so that's the play. So the, okay, okay, gonna have to get the box. So it says right here, auto pairing built-in mic. We got a Bluetooth 6.0, cutting edge air conduction, keeps your ears open so you hear everything around you. HD stereo sound, crystal clear phone calls and headphone neckband. Okay. IPX4 waterproof, Android and Apple. Okay, and then microphone, 8 hours playback. So what else? Okay, so yeah, uh, where's the on for this one? Okay, LED indicator light, micro SD card port, charging port, previews. Okay, button preview song and track, button next and song track. Okay, okay, charging port, LED, and then how to connect into the phone. Okay, power on, press and hold the plus button. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna have to try my okay. I'm gonna have to try my ini Oasis. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna have to press on. Okay, yeah, I saw some light. Okay, and then okay, so I'm gonna have to pair a new device. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to check it out. Okay, there you go, the sound play air. Okay, oh, okay, yeah, that's nice. Okay, 90%. Okay, I'm gonna have to play some music. Okay, oh, yeah, there you go. There you have it. Yeah, nice. So if I'm gonna have to press this one, the only the right. Okay, if I'm gonna have to press this one, I only hear the left. Okay, yeah, yeah, there you go. Yeah. So since it is a bone conduction, right? So yeah, I can still, yeah, like that one. Yeah, perfect, and it's also a really good one. Also good for sports. Okay, if you are on a jogging, and it's also if you are on a walking, right? So yeah, and also in the gym, perfect for this gym. Okay, perfect this one for the gym if you are having this one kind of like that one. Yeah, yeah. You can adjust. Okay, there you go. Yeah, but since you cannot, but since you cannot, put inside the ear, okay, so yeah, this, there you go. And then I'm gonna have to check, I'm gonna have to try some another music, okay. Yeah, okay, gonna have to there you go. Yeah, nice. But since you cannot put here, yeah, if I'm gonna put it into the ear, it's really, it's really loud, okay. Yeah, yeah. So since this is okay, so yeah, I can still hear. So since it is a bone conduction, you cannot put it into your ear, right? So yeah, so it's gonna be, look at that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, there you go. Yeah, yeah, I can still hear it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, turn it off. Okay, if you have to turn off, press the button for 3 seconds. So, yeah, okay, still there you go. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to try the other one. Okay, I'm gonna have to try the other one. So this is gonna be right here. Okay, and then gonna have to again. Is the plus or okay? There you go. Okay, it's already okay. I'm gonna have to put it on. Oh, okay. Gonna have to go to the pair new device. Sorry. Okay, we go. We got the wireless 9018, I think. Nice. Okay. Okay. Here's the song. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay. This one is a really good one. So, I've got a problem with the only problem I have is, you know, it's the only problem is when I put this on. Okay, when I put this on, this one right here is gonna be, you know, something like that one. So there's a clip right over here. Okay. Okay, so there's a clip, okay, on how to, you know, that one. Just, so there's a clip, so there you go, okay. Yeah, so there's a clip, and then one thing that you have gonna have to do, one thing that you have gonna have to do with this one is if you are gonna have to go to this one, you just have to clip this one, okay. I'm gonna have to, there you go, and then yeah, that one, that will be good, right? So yeah, there you go. You're gonna have to clip that one, and then right here is the other one. You're gonna have to just like that one. You're gonna have to do it just like that one, okay? Yeah, so that is gonna be the purpose of that. So that is gonna be the purpose of, okay, so that's gonna be the purpose for that one, okay. So yeah, we're gonna have something for jogging, also for sports, for if you are in the, what is this called, if you are in this forget, in the gym, okay, you can use this also in the gym, perfect, and it's also good for jogging also, or for walking. All right, so yeah, there you go, guys. So these are some nice earphones and bone conduction, okay, headphones, which is a really nice one, okay. So yeah, gotta, you know, I didn't know that sound plays from Chumi. Yeah, so yeah, okay, there you go, guys. So got some new earphones, okay, and earbuds for me to suggest this one, okay. So yeah, got some new, okay, with a wireless conducting headphones, wireless air conducting headphones, and also what is that one again? Yeah, it's touch, it's from Touch and Go, okay. This one right here, over here, right? So yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna have to use this bone conduction tomorrow in my work, okay. Gonna have, it's gonna be good enough, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna make also a follow-up video. I'm gonna make a follow-up video for this one also, and also a follow-up video for this one when I am going to jogging, okay. So I'm gonna have to try it out, okay, on how good it is. All right, okay. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will notify of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned because I'm giving you some of my good stuff here on my channel. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you again on the next one.